How to change the order confirmation email in your Shopify. So first of all, in your left hand side, go to the settings in your left bottom, and then from here you can see notifications option. Press on notifications option. Here you can see customer notification. Simply press there and then go to order confirmation. Here you can see that it reads my store, thank you for your purchase. So you can simply go ahead and edit your code. In order to change your order confirmation email, simply press on edit code, and here you can see thank you for your order. You can simply change to like thank you for your order. You can simply change to thank you for your purchase, and then you can simply go ahead and press on save. So once you press on save, your notification template will be saved. And then once you go ahead and go to the notifications again, customer notifications again, order confirmation, then here you can see thank you for your purchase. So that's how I changed it, and you can simply see that it has been changed. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.